Lightning Link, over 50 slots. And Andre just, on the third spin, I think it was,
Yep.
got the bonus.
Okay, let's see what we can get.
250. We're a little fuzzy here. Sorry.
Oh, I got blocked by the 1,000 point or whatever. Tigers.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh no!
blocking
2
me
more
every
spins.
time.
Be nice. Be nice.
Last spin. Wow.
Oops.
That was not good.
Yeah.
Okay, well, it came fast. And
Yeah, it
we're-
did come fast.
We're up $2.
Lightning Link. Lightning Link. Oh wow! Sorry, the camera hasn't adjusted color yet.
Whoa,
There we go. Just got the bonus again. And who got
That was
it?
you.
I get it. I got it.
That was you.
Oh, all right. Let's start.
Let's see if you can beat my bonus.
I don't know.
That's pretty big.
Ogre, Queens, no. Oops, sorry. Oh wow, I didn't mean to do that. But one more spin after this. Oh,
Oh
Do
my
it.
gosh, you did not beat my
I did not
bonus.
beat it. Backup spin. All right. Lightning Link. We'll come back if we get something else.
Alright, still at Lightning Link. Eyes of Fortune. And got the hold and spin again. I switched back to nickels, and nickels seems to be where it's at. So let's see what we can get. Maybe we can get that major this time. Or a word, any word. Come on, find something. There's one. Come on. Find something bigger. Oh, I saw some go by. Oh, there's $12.50. That's pretty good. Oh, got the $50 mini. Come on, let's get another word. Oh no, one more spin. Save it. Save it. Save it. Oh, we got that $50 mini. That was awesome. Nice. $88. That's a nice win. On $1.25. Yay. Okay, let's see if we can get anything else quickly. 2 more. Oh, that would have been nice back to back. Oh. 2 more? Two more. Oh. All right. Well, I'll come back if I can get anything else.